LuxuryAerozona fans, you may be able to detect a box. And this box has something very cool in it that I recently bought off eBay. And I'm pretty excited to open it, so we're just gonna do that. You may be able to tell by the title what is in this box, but I'm still excited for it anyway. Here we have some bubble wrap. Actually, it's actually really well packed. I was kind of nervous that this wouldn't be well packed. Ooh, let me get the trick here. Extremely nervous. But here we are. This is actually really well packed. More well packed than I thought it was going to be. We have a nice little case. Compact branded case, that is interesting. Probably won't need the scissors anymore. So let's start opening zippers. First thing in here is a power supply, and my cat is outside my room. And we have the Macintosh user's guide for the your PowerBook computer. System discs. Those are some system discs right there. It's actually kind of cool. I will go through those in depth in a bit. What else is in there? Anything? Nope. No, I think this is the main show. Yes, it is. Oh boy. It's the PowerBook. Oh my. That is really dirty. Oh, there's a keyboard cover over it. I want to try to get a better view. I have a very slapped together tripod situation, so that keyboard cover is really on there. Anyway, this is in really good condition. It's even got the original door on the back, which is rare. Usually these doors get ripped off. So I will get some cleaning supplies and we will clean this. Anyway, so now that we have the PowerBook here, I think the first thing we should do is test it. So I got some, actually I just have the original power device right here, and I'm going to plug it into my surge protector. We haven't died yet, that's a good sign. Oh, well, I haven't died yet, and we're just going to plug it in. And we'll make sure we're getting a good camera angle. We will hit the power button in 3, 2, 1. Hold on, lost the power button. Wow, my camera's crap, so I'm sorry if you can't see anything. Are we gonna get a display? Oh yeah? Yeah, what's going on here? That is a weak test. Oh, yep. There we go, just had to mess with it a little bit. Yep, getting lit up. Well, I'm happy to know at least it works a little bit. Should probably reinstall macOS on this. Key cover off. So I think we're going to reinstall macOS on this, like right now. Thank you for watching this video. This has actually been the first video on my new Vlare channel. You may notice how I left it at a abrupt ending. There might be a sequel, there might not be. Thanks for watching this. If you like it, follow me. If you don't, you don't. This is LuxuryAerozona signing off. I hope you all have a good rest of your day.